What is the value of 8 divided by 8 divided by 8 divided by 8? Problems with chain division trip people up all the time. Let's look at the common trap first, and then reveal the correct way to solve it. Here is the incorrect method that leads people straight to 1. They pair up the terms on the left and right simultaneously. 8 divided by 8 equals 1 on the left, and 8 divided by 8 equals 1 on the right. Then they divide 1 by 1 to get 1. But grouping operations like this breaks one of the most fundamental rules of arithmetic. Now let's do it the correct way. According to the order of operations, when you have repeated division, you must work strictly from left to right. First step, 8 divided by 8 equals 1. This leaves 1 divided by 8 divided by 8. Second step, 1 divided by 8 equals 1/8. Now we have 1/8 divided by 8. Final step, use keep change flip. Keep 1/8, change division to multiplication, and flip 8 to 1/8. So 1/8 times 1/8 equals 1/64. So our true final answer is 1/64.